Welcome to English Practice Everyday. Today we will explore the many meanings of the word play, which can be used as a noun and a verb in various contexts. We will master this word by using simple sentences to understand all its meanings. After our practice, we will read out loud a short story that uses the word play in all the contexts to better understand its usage. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. Word play as a verb. First meaning of play as a verb is to engage in games or recreational activities. Play as a verb means to engage in games or recreational activities. The dog likes to play fetch. The dog likes to play fetch. The team will play in the finals. The team will play in the finals. We played soccer after school. We played soccer after school. Amy plays tennis every weekend. Amy plays tennis every weekend. Do you want to play cards tonight? Do you want to play cards tonight? Second meaning of play as a verb is to perform on a musical instrument. Play means to perform on a musical instrument. Can you play that song again? Can you play that song again? Zach plays the piano beautifully. Zach plays the piano beautifully. Eve played a song on her violin. Eve played a song on her violin. The band plays live every Friday. The band plays live every Friday. Ivy played a sad tune on the piano. Ivy played a sad tune on the piano. Third meaning of play as a verb is to act in a theatrical production or movie. Play means to act in a theatrical production or movie. Ben played a villain in the drama. Ben played a villain in the drama. Joe plays a detective in the movie. Joe plays a detective in the movie. The actor played his part very well. The actor played his part very well. Sue played Juliet in the school play. Sue played Juliet in the school play. Jill played her part with great emotion. Jill played her part with great emotion. Fourth meaning of play as a verb is to operate or cause something to function. Music, video, etc. Play means to operate or cause something to function. Music, video, etc. Play the next slide, please. Play the next slide, please. Please play the next video. Please play the next video. She played the voicemail again. She played the voicemail again. The DJ played my favorite track. The DJ played my favorite track. Can you play the movie from the beginning? Can you play the movie from the beginning? Fifth meaning of play as a verb is to behave or act in a certain way, often pretending. Play means to behave or act in a certain way, often pretending. He tried to play it cool. He tried to play it cool. She's just playing innocent. She's just playing innocent. Mia likes to play teacher with her dolls. Mia likes to play teacher with her dolls. The kids played pirates in the backyard. The kids played pirates in the backyard. Paul played dead to avoid being caught. Paul played dead to avoid being caught. Sixth meaning of play as a verb is to use or manipulate something. Play means to use or manipulate something. Don't play with fire. Don't play with fire. The baby played with her toys. The baby played with her toys. We played a trick on our friend. We played a trick on our friend. Stop playing games with my feelings. Stop playing games with my feelings. He played with the idea before deciding. He played with the idea before deciding. Wordplay as a noun. First meaning of play as a noun is a dramatic performance or piece of writing. Play as a noun means a dramatic performance or piece of writing. The play lasted 2 hours. The play lasted 2 hours. We watched a play at the theater. We watched a play at the theater. The school is putting on a new play. The school is putting on a new play. Shakespeare wrote many famous plays. Shakespeare wrote many famous plays. The play was about friendship and courage. The play was about friendship and courage. Second meaning of play as a noun is an activity done for enjoyment or recreation. Play as a noun means an activity done for enjoyment or recreation. The park is designed for play. The park is designed for play. They believe in learning through play. They believe in learning through play. They joined in the play with enthusiasm. They joined in the play with enthusiasm. The playground is full of play and laughter. The playground is full of play and laughter. Play is important for children's development. Play is important for children's development. Third meaning of play as a noun is a move or action in a game or sport. Play as a noun means a move or action in a game or sport. His play won them the game. His play won them the game. The referee reviewed the play. The referee reviewed the play. It was the final play of the game. It was the final play of the game. The coach explained the next play. The coach explained the next play. That was a smart play in the last minute. That was a smart play in the last minute. That's the end of our practice. Let's now read aloud a short story that uses the word play in all its various contexts. Story title: A Day of Many Plays. It was Saturday morning and the sun was shining. Amy and her friends met at the park. They had one goal: to play all day. First, they played soccer. Amy kicked the ball to Ben, who ran fast and made a great play to score a goal. "Nice play," shouted Joe. The kids laughed and ran across the field, full of energy and joy. After the game, they sat under a tree to rest. Amy pulled out a deck of cards. "Let's play a card game," she said. They played for a while, taking turns and cheering when someone won. "Do you want to play again?" Joe asked. But Amy had another idea. She reached out her bag and pulled out a small speaker. "Let's play some music," she said. She pressed a button, and a song started to play. Everyone clapped to the beat. "Wait," said Zack. "I brought my guitar." He took it out of its case and began to play a tune. "Wow, you play so well," said Mia. Amy smiled and joined in by tapping a beat on her knees. Then Mia stood up and said, "Let's put on a play." She handed out little costumes from her backpack. "I'll play the queen," she said. "Amy, you play the princess. Ben, you can play the knight." They all took parts and began acting. "Long ago," Mia began, "in a big castle, there lived a brave knight and a kind princess." Everyone laughed and clapped when the short play ended. Even some parents nearby came to watch and smiled. After lunch, they went to the playground. The place was full of play and laughter. Children climbed, slid, and swung high into the air. "This place is made for play," said Amy. "It's perfect." The friends joined in, running and playing tag. They believed play was not just for fun, it helped them learn too. They worked together, made plans, and helped each other climb. Later in the day, Zack said, "Let's act like pirates." "Yes," shouted Joe. "I'll play the captain." They grabbed sticks and leaves to make pretend swords and hats. "Aye, aye, Captain," said Amy, playing the part of a sailor. They used old boxes as ships and imagined they were sailing across the sea. "We found treasure," yelled Ben. The kids played pirates for a long time, laughing and shouting. Then Joe said, "Let's play teacher. I'll be the teacher first." He used a stick to write on the dirt like a chalkboard. "Today's lesson is on how to be silly." Everyone laughed. "I'm going to play student," said Mia. She sat with her dolls and answered silly questions. After a while, they found a dog sitting near them. "Let's play fetch with him," said Amy. She threw a stick and the dog ran to get it. "Good boy," they said. They played with the dog until the owner came to take it home. As the sun began to set, the group sat together again. Amy picked up the speaker. "Let's play that song one more time," she said. But the speaker didn't work. "Try to play it again," said Joe. Amy pressed the button. "There it goes." The music played softly in the background. Ben sat still and said, "I'm going to play dead." He lay flat on the ground. "Oh no, the night is down," joked Mia. "Just playing," Ben shouted and jumped up. Everyone laughed. Just before they left, Amy said, "Remember how we played a trick on Mr. Lee at school?" "Yes," said Joe. "He thought we were all gone." "Don't play tricks like that again," laughed Mia. He was so shocked. As they walked home, Amy said, "This was the best day. We had every kind of play." Everyone nodded. They had played games, music, acted in a play, made funny moves in sports, pretended to be different people, and even fooled around a bit. And that's how one sunny day turned into a day full of play, every kind there is. End of story. Today we learned how play can mean to enjoy a game, perform music, act on stage, or even take action in a game or sport. We also explored how play can be a joyful activity, a performance, or even a technical term. Please take some time to review this video and master the word play in all its meanings. Bye for now.